Thanks for coming in today. Your resume is very impressive. I see you're fluent in 12 languages. What are those? Okay. Oh, I really can't accept this. I'm sorry, but usually we like resumes to actually be true. That's not appropriate. Have you ever been convicted of a crime? No. I'm not a cop. I have to ask that. Oh, goodness. We really don't encourage nudity in our office. Sir, no jumping in the chair. Is this yours? I'd really rather not talk about my boyfriend. Yes, you do have to know how to spell to work here. Try again next year, maybe. Thanks. We'll call you. Sure. Okay.
Need better candidates? We've got the most. CareerBuilder.com. Experience better.